Understanding E-Vouchers, a handy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the term E-Voucher. This is a phrase you might come across in various contexts, especially when shopping online or dealing with digital transactions. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore the world of E-Vouchers together. An E-Voucher is a digital version of a paper voucher, used to provide a discount, or a specific value, when purchasing products or services. It is usually sent via email or through a mobile application. E-Vouchers are widely used in online shopping, travel bookings, and many other services. They come with unique codes that you need to enter at the checkout point or during the transaction to avail the discount or service. To use an e-voucher, you need to have a valid code, which is typically provided by the retailer or service provider. During the transaction, there will be an option to enter a promo or voucher code. Here, you input the unique code associated with your e-voucher. Once entered, the value or discount of the e-voucher will be applied to your total amount. It's crucial to ensure that the e-voucher is valid and has not expired, as they usually have a specific expiry date. E-vouchers offer numerous advantages. They are convenient and easy to use, eliminating the need to carry physical vouchers. They are also eco-friendly, as they reduce the need for paper. Additionally, e-vouchers can be easily shared via email or messaging apps, making them a popular choice for gifts. Retailers and service providers often use e-vouchers as a tool for promotions and marketing, attracting more customers and increasing sales. While using e-vouchers is generally straightforward, there are common mistakes that you should avoid. Make sure to check the expiry date and the terms and conditions associated with the e-voucher. Pay attention to the minimum purchase requirements or any specific products or services the e-voucher applies to. Also, ensure that you enter the code correctly, as it is often case-sensitive. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide on e-vouchers. We hope this video has helped clarify what e-vouchers are, how they work, and how you can use them effectively. Remember, they are a great way to save money and access services conveniently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content, and feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments section below. Happy shopping and smart saving, everyone!